Welcome back. We're in Fender Studio and we're going to look at how to turn your audio into MIDI notes. It's a very simple process. So I have a piano instrument put on here. Okay, and I'm going to take this extracted stem that I got from my AI track. We're going to drag it in there, and then now it's going to say, okay, do you want notes or drums? And I'm going to say extract notes. So I'm going to hit OK. It's going to extract it, and now we're going to listen to what the result we get from this. I haven't really used this much because typically when I hear a sample, I'll play it over, but maybe there might be something I don't know. So we're going to fast forward and show you the results. So as you can see, there's a lot going on that track. Let's play it and find out what it sounds like. I'm very curious. Let's get in the chords. But there's a lot of information on that track. If we listen to that separated track, there's a lot of... So there's a lot of information on that. So let's try it on the bass track. So I got a bass patch on a memory, and we're going to try that with the bass sample. So, right, we're going to drag it down, test it out. We're going to drag the audio again to an instrument track and extract notes. It's going to process it. Let's fast forward to it. Okay, let's check it out. I'm going to bring the track in. So it's a little low, so what we're going to do is adjust that and go to the inspector, and we're going to bring that MIDI channel up like 12 semitones there. Okay. So now we have the drum loop and we have the memory Moog. It kind of tracks good. And I think you can refine it if you have everything quantized and time synced together. It's following it all. Enjoying that bass line from the Moog. So just once again, just in review, we took an audio track and dragged it onto an instrument track and selected whether we want drums or we want melodies. So let's say, for example, let's see what happens if we try to take that drum track and drag it down. Let's see what happens when we do that. So I'm dragging the track down and I'm saying extract drums, and I'm going to let it process real quick. Okay, process it. Now as you can see, we have a lot of rhythms there. Now in this case, I'll probably get like a impact and then assign the samples right there, but I can see all the drum notes that are in there. It's like, okay, I see this, I see that. So that could be used for taking your clips and making, you can go back and forth with this however you want. There's really no rules here. But yeah, that's converting audio to MIDI in Fender Studio 8. Like, comment, subscribe for more tutorials. Let me know what you think about this feature in the comments below. Look forward to hearing what you think. Stay tuned for more right on this channel.